Obasunsun se mu a spirituality man mysticism mu a.
Yeah.
I would say the first important thing, and they say you must hear.
I was so waiting.
Hearing.
I was so tea.
So tea.
Okay.
Tea. You must hear.
You must hear. I was so tea.
Yes. In spirituality, the first thing is hearing. The most important thing.
Right.
And that here, it gives you understanding.
Oh, okay.
For instance, you school, no. Say you go school, then you need 1 + 1 = 2. Maybe a few in a tree, a better. Yes, there are few things in life where your co school has a and you hear. They say, oh, H2O, water, hydrogen molecule plus oxygen.
This is all chance and what you say. Sure.
So you must first hear. So hearing is so important in mysticism. So we be now person who be now what be asking you must first hear. And I must say, so what kasa the unim now beka. Name the utia obeti be can the unim no. So you must hear more and speak less.
That is why some people say that it pays to listen.
Yes. And the way I go from aye nipa duano, it will help you to understand. Say, hearing is more important than speaking. Shade, on the way I saw it,
yeah.
You don't need to use any force or any energy to hear. So you are boss on a munda hosa.
Yeah.
To be as much be wooden by force.
Sure.
God wants you to hear everything. Just hear everything. But I don't know. Scientifically, for one to be able to open their mouth to speak,
you need an effort.
You need some exertion of energy. And anything that will be in your stroke. No, you need energy to open the lips. So it means that God wanted you to keep quiet more and hear more. Because say I don't say kasa baby and come makasa so you free there and that was no. So what I'm trying to say is that in life, for you to make advancement in anything, no, you must hear more and speak less. And anything you hear energy to speak, but we don't need energy to hear. So when you hear more, that hearing will lead to understanding. Because we are saying when you say obidia, say I'm studio hey, modi I'm gonna manage no more has it. They mean the metra obey no, because they are nowhere metria now you see I am help. So more hearing leads to understanding.
Sure.
So what I'm saying is the studio belongs to Mwambuano. Money how I'm a farm Yamonoma until we cry mobile recruit no. More than a better a match and answer.
No correct.
So it means that Obibian Nadia one coin for the universe belongs to the Almighty Being. Our coin of us or person, you manage the universe. The best what I say. And it's the first thing you must hear. And that hearing no will lead to understanding.
Okay.
And if you really understand what you are hearing, it will lead to faith.
Okay.
Okay.
Now matter say utie ade na utie no bebrebe no.
Utie na what
asem
now you develop faith.
Faith. No when you gidi.
Ade say out na play mu. Na play the two free ha. Na ka just play the two a. What time obi aye say oh a pilot no mo yese na no kan say two a two a so ho mo nam no omo wo kwan mo nam so. Nti the more wo te no. So wo kwatena play ma unsuru.
No correct.
Because him say oh matese oh play no ye tena mu a pilot no mo yese na yese na kosi. Until that understanding of what you've heard, it will lead to faith. Until you play more with me, no wada, because you have faith. Say, nipa no team or don't a pilot and you go see baby awoko. So that faith is very important, and it comes only after understanding, and that understanding will come only after hearing. And idea, when you have faith after hearing, now you will be able to act based on. Sadia wo tie no de ba ne say yes wo so anipa bia na e say wo bompaye and I say wo dware wo dware bia say wo twitwiro sin yes bia wo didi okay we know what ya all this time don't so wo so nya pomden a these are the things you have to do okay am I understanding to you no aduane ye de ma wo faith say wo di anchine wo mako wo mti wo benya ahoden Now you begin to act based on the what all the time, no. So when you keep on acting based on what you have been hearing, then that faith in our one will lead to staunch faith. As a Gideon Moroso, so that staunch faith that will lead you to realization of the mysteries of life.
Wow.
So first thing you must hear, the hearing will lead to understanding. The understanding will create faith in your heart. When you have faith and you act based on what you have been hearing, that faith will grow onto staunch faith.
And you can't retrieve more, you can't say.
They say, Otie, Utie, Utia. That Tiena Utie, baby, no bema atimi, Anya, and Tiasia. Santia, I'm talking about the universe. How Uncle Pon de Bositie, Quaya Bibia Fasuya, Juma de Bia Utie, no,
Nema Ujidie,
a Mount Tiasia Cane,
Cane,
Tunyantiasia, we are a Fena
Gidie, Abba.
No, you did any yeah. Now, no man, Utie, what I say, oh, yes, I know, man. I feel a member would give you idea. Wow. Do you get the Emrus when we know? A horn I you will relish or you realize the mysteries of life.
And what about it? No,
so hearing is very important. The episode discussing, it might not be just only today because a very detailed subject.
Sure.
And because already people have some perception, no, people need time. May I emphasize on the hearing?
Hearing.
You must hear.
So be it.
Yes. And my main I did because I'm so.
Yo, Nana.
You know, I did martial arts when I was in secondary school.
Hey, Nana, you are an embodiment of never be.
The idea.
Okay.
There's one guy be only a martial art teacher.
Yeah.
So I learned to say, ono kono hona also pese ko sua or charge it. No be say wouldn't be a martial art. Because ania ebi oba charge you be 1,000 Ghana cedis. Ebi for a month. Obi ba no cause onim anything about martial art. No wa charge 500 cedis. Does it make sense? No nim he no. You get 500. Wona ka wasua bibi a onim bi ni age 1,000.
Danger.
So kwaku ninja and bia kwaku ninja no here.
Me o ka martial art no na adwen e ba.
Na men training.
Oh really?
Yes, on it taller.
On it taller.
Master na no training omo no obubu ahye. Na me me master na no.
Oh really?
Yes. Nse bi nsa. Kwaku ninja da. Anti master no say unim martial art ni bi da na kwaku kusua o charge higher. Obi onim bi da on 29 da onim dey the punch e bibia no na wa charge you lower. So mbisa say why will you do that? Or say oba be chire obi ade na onim bibia na the mind no empty slate.
Oh.
So it's easier for you to plant something on this fertile soil.
Oh.
But obi aba na adwene say onim no. O chire ni bibia na one na adwene onim that no air compete. They are very difficult to keep those people.
I don't think ankoda wo hoyi. Once my dream,
it's easy to teach children than adults.
Tabula rasa because we hear him. Oh, okay, that's fine.
And you know, the best is already because you have so many things already in your mind or your perception. No, some of these things might be difficult for you. Did I might have me emphasizing?
Wow.
You must hear. The more you hear, that hearing will lead to understanding. See, people don't have understanding because they don't have time to hear. Because the more you hear, you continue hearing. No, it will definitely lead to understanding. And that understanding will generate faith. And when you have faith and you begin to act based on that faith, you will develop staunch faith. And after the development of staunch faith, then now you will relish or realize the mysteries of life.
Wow.
The idea, people should understand the way I born your meeting, or her Bible, mu, her Quran, mu, other scriptures, mu. Nyankopon kese ye no atworo ntimi nka ho asem.
Atworo ntimi nka ho asem.
Nyankopon ne kese ye no said the atworo no kan no endru even a quarter 1% out of 100 endru. Anything one hwe ye na we Christo no ye kramoni na say the wonim o scripture no say the nyameti ya big mistake. Mame more example bi.
Yo nana.
Say the nim the Bible mu say Nyankopon oboba ade no that we obo say etoso kura na it just exist na obo nipa. Nyankopon tete do tie e no de ye nipa e no homi gu no mu no say
sure.
It looks nice but it's very simple. No, it's just too simple. you heard the way Bible narration of God, the way Quran tiena, and anything I say, Nyankopon ne bronsam bi wo competition in a way. Because already you are limiting Nyankopon ne powers so much to a point say you feel say other forces will be an other power be betimi ne sa supremacy of God na compete. But so what shall I say na oba beti Nyankopon ne kese ye na see here. That is when you will understand say you don't have to equate the power of God say any other force to be our competition be
sure.
Because it is something beyond imagination. O kind the Vedas. See, my background and Kasapani Eastern philosophy.
Eastern
philosophy
okay.
When it comes to creation and everything, and it's very detailed. You know, there's this book called the Vedas. Vedas what translate here? I just said knowledge. So Nimdie is, you know, it's condensed in this book. So my mention right there. So God Almighty, when He wants to create,
yeah.
Onu Nyankopon no and get involved with anything material. God does not go close to it. Nyankopon, there's only one thing He does in the spiritual world. He's always enjoying with His associates. God is not interested in anything in this material universe. He is always, because time does not operate in the spiritual world, I cannot say 24/7, but for him understanding 24/7, God is constantly and consistently engaged with His associates.